Hi everyone, and welcome to What's Cookin Mug Edition. My name is Miss Alexis and I work at the Asheboro Public Library in the children's room. Today we are going to be making a chocolate lava cake. First, let's go ahead and wash our hands. If you haven't already done so, you can pause the video here and go wash them. Let's get started with the ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, your chocolate truffle of your choice, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So let's start adding the ingredients into our mug. We're going to start with the dry ingredients first. So we're going to add our flour, our baking powder, our sugar, our cocoa powder, and our salt. And we're just going to use a fork to mix those all together. Just like that. Now we're going to add our oil and our milk, and you want to give those a good mix until it becomes almost to a paste. Now you want to add your chocolate to the center of that, and you can use your fork to kind of push it down in there and get it covered up. Get all that extra batter off of your fork as much as possible. Do that. Now we're going to add this into our microwave for 70 seconds. Now that it's finished baking in the microwave, ask an adult to assist you with removing the mug because it may be hot. Doesn't that look delicious? Now, this is where you can add powdered sugar or ice cream if you'd like. I think I'm going to have a little bit of both. Start with a sprinkle of powdered sugar, and we have some vanilla ice cream here. Just add a little scoop right on top. Isn't it picture perfect? Now for the best part, the taste test. So good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and would like to see more, join me every 2 weeks on Randolph County Public Library Facebook and YouTube page. The next video will premiere Wednesday, September 23rd at 4 p.m. and we'll be making a mug pizza. Bye guys!